first step to getting an FUE hair transplant is your consultation. This gives you the chance to first meet with the surgeon, discuss your hair loss and go through your medical history. They will then analyze your hair and assess your suitability for a hair transplant.
So you are more concerned about the
Yes,
design here, right?
M design, and also here is also like
Right. Yeah. Are you taking any hair loss medication?
I don't take any medications. I'm using some products, like shampoos or those spray. I can share probably, but I don't take any.
Can you tell us what shampoo are you using?
Sure.
And what spray?
Basically, this is the shampoo that I'm using now.
Since how long have you been using that for?
Actually, just using for a few months.
3 months. Any positive response?
I think this is only to
Hair
prevent,
loss.
to prevent thinning.
Further loss. Yeah, it is. It's just
Then
further loss.
this is the hair spray. So it is to like thickening spray. It is not for hair growth. It is not.
It's just for scalp, your scalp. So the spray that you showed earlier, and this one, you can use it after a month.
After a month.
Yeah, but during a month it's better to not use
Okay.
it. But the shampoo that you have already, you can start using that after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah, because during the first 2 weeks, we will give you another shampoo that you have to use. Right?
Okay.
So yeah.
First, our nurse will apply a numbing cream above the patient's eyebrow, where anesthesia will be injected later. Then we will collect a blood sample from the patient, which will be used later for plasma extraction. The back of the patient's head is shaved and prepared for the surgery. The area where hair will be harvested is thoroughly disinfected. Anesthetics are injected into the back of the head to ensure the patient feels no pain during the procedure. Additionally, a saline solution is injected to expand the area and improve the visibility of hair follicles.
Before we continue, please visit roothairtransplant.com for more information.
The hair graft extraction begins. During this step, the surgeon uses a specialized tool to extract donor grafts from the patient's donor area. In the FUE procedure, grafts are always extracted one by one. This type of extraction does not leave an elongated scar on the donor area. Once a graft is extracted from the donor area, our nurses take active measures to preserve it for implantation. It is cleaned, sorted according to the number of hairs it contains, and submerged in an active plasma solution, which maximizes survivability. Once a sufficient amount of grafts is extracted, the surgeon begins implanting them using the implanter pen DHI method. Our nurses load individual grafts into the implanter pens, one at a time, and pass them to the surgeon. This method of implantation allows us to implant grafts between existing hair and produces a very high density of implantation. After the main stages of a hair transplant are completed, it is important to follow the correct aftercare procedures. This includes washing the donor and implantation areas, protecting the transplanted grafts, excessive rubbing, impacts, and direct sunlight.
Okay guys, he had his hair transplant here, FUE hair transplant recently, and today is his last day in Korea, and we're gonna miss him definitely. The Roots team is gonna miss him, but we're gonna ask him like how is he feeling after the hair transplant. So, please tell us your experience. How was it?
I'm thinking that the process very smooth, and Jahid really helped a lot. Then for now, I have did about like 2 days.
Yeah.
2 days.
Yeah.
So far the healing process is good.
Yeah, we just had a checkup with the doctor, and the doctor said the donor side and the recipient side both are perfectly fine and doing very well. And tomorrow he's leaving for Singapore. Everything is going to be okay, but he will stay in touch with us, and we'll always be staying in touch with each other for the next 2 months, because 2 months is important for us, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So excited to
Yeah, I can't wait to see the result. Right?
Yeah, a more handsome version of himself, right? All right, man. Thank you very much, and I
You're
hope
welcome.
you have a good last day in Seoul.
Sure.